Lines begin to draw themselves, edges getting clean. What was wide and undefined falls out of the scene. City lights blur into one, details fade away. Only what is in front of me chooses now to stay. I don't meet the distant glow, I don't need it all. Just a single point of light against the darkened wall. Narrow the vision, cut it down slow. Everything extra, let it go. Narrow the vision, hold it tight. One clear line in the night. Less to carry, less to prove. Only what I choose. The frame gets smaller, the focus sharpens. Edges cut through every doubt, nothing left to blur. Lines are drawn without a shake, still and sure. No reflection splitting light, no distortion near. Every shape stands on its own, razor clear. No hesitation in the frame, no echo in the air. What I see is what it is, nothing laying there. Razor clear, sharp and bright, nothing hidden out of sight. Razor clear, cold and true, every angle breaking through. No shadow, no doubt, just form and outline. Precision holds, nothing moves without intent. I let the window open wide, midnight moving through. Cooler settles in my chest, sharp and almost new. What was heavy in my lungs starts to loosen slow. Every breath I take now feels clearer than before. City hum is far away, barely even there. In the quiet after noise, I can feel the air. Cold air in, slow and deep. Nothing left to keep. Cold air in, steady and thin. What was clouded grows concrete cool beneath my feet. Midnight in the air, standing where the noise grows thin. Nothing pulling there. Traffic turns to distant waves, breathing slows in time. No more running through the dark, no more racing lines. At the edge of the skyline, I don't move, I don't fall. Just the wind across my shoulders, that's enough, that's all. At the edge of everything, where the city feels small, stay still in the quiet before I choose it all. Far below the city line, water holds the light. No disturbance on its skin, dark and silver night. Nothing rushing underneath, nothing out of place. Even gravity feels slow in this quiet space. I don't lean too far ahead, I don't look behind. Just the surface breathing calm, clearing out my mind. Still water below, no ripple, no sound. Everything steady, nothing unbound. Still water below, quiet and wide. What once pulled hard now lets me decide. No waves, no break, just depth and weightless calm. The surface doesn't move, neither do I. The skyline stretches out again, wider than before. Nothing pressing at my back, nothing to ignore. All the edges still intact, clear within my sight. But the word expands ahead, opening the line. I don't rush into the day, I don't step away. every fragment now, quiet in my head, breathing time, step in line, everything alive. No distractions, no divide, nothing left to override. No distractions, clear and wide, only the current side. No break, no blur, just flow and move. See you here, still here, still steady. Voices used to fill the air, crowding every thought. Echoes running through my head, tangles I once fought. Street light flickers in my eyes, but something's changing tone. What was loud a moment ago doesn't feel as known. Layer after layer falls away, like dust in fading light. I don't push, I don't resist, I let it dim. Tonight, the noise fades out one line at a time. What once pulled me under slips out of my mind. The noise fades out, soft and slow. What remains is steady low. No alarms, no urgency, just brave and space. Silence isn't empty, it's clearing the way. No resistance in the air, nothing pushing back. Every motion feels aligned, set upon its track. Time doesn't pull ahead of me, doesn't fall behind. Everything is moving now in a single line. No effort, no strangers, rhythm again. Steady current, low and strong, carrying me along. place where the motion been. Heartbeat steady